Hi, welcome to this tutorial plus. So in this video we are going to see how to switch to different modes. So when you see interface of this, on the left top you'll find object mode. So you can just click on it, you'll find different modes here. In this we are going to see different modes in different videos. In this one I'll tell you how to switch between the object mode and the edit mode. Okay, so now you can see the whole selection will happen when you click on the objects inside the workspace. Okay, here I have a cube, so when I click, the whole cube gets selected. If I just click on this drop down mode menu and press edit, so you see the tools changed, and also you see some dot appears, which is nothing but the vertex. And here the property bar also change certain tools. The first one is vertex, second one is edge, and third one is face. If you can click on the dot, it gets selected. Okay, so we call that as a vertex. Okay, if I switch back, click on the second option, which is edge, I can click on the edge. When you click on this edge option, you find no vertex appear. If you click on the third one, which is nothing but the face, it selects the face. So these components are highly helpful to edit any objects. Okay, so make sure that when you are in edit mode, you don't create any new objects. If you want to attach with this object, you have to create. Okay, so I'm in edit mode now. If I want to switch back to object mode, I have to click on this drop down menu and switch back to the object mode. Okay, so whenever we are working to the time consumption, you don't have to go back here and switch back to edit or object mode. What you can do is you can select the object, or you can just have it clicked outside. You can just switch between these two modes with the help of tab. If I press tab, you see the mode automatically changes. Can you able to see? So here this is the face and edge, and also you have vertices. Okay, and also you have numbers to switch between these components. If I press 1, which is above the cube, so if I press 1, it is vertex, where you can select the vertex. Click drag, window select the vertex. If I press 2, it switched to the edge. Okay, edge component, where you can select the edge component and you can edit. If I press 3, it will switch to the face component. Hope you understood what I'm doing. Okay, so these are the main components you have to understand about this polygon. Okay, so if I want to switch back to object mode, you can just simply press tab. Okay, so you can press tab and switch between the edit and the object mode. Okay, so you can switch between these modes. Okay, when I go into edit mode, the tool property changes, the toolbar changes, where these tools we are going to use to edit these shapes or else these objects. Okay, it is very easy to do that. Okay, and also if I switch to object mode, you have split out menus, which is view, select, and add an object. Okay, if I just go jump into edit mode by pressing tab, you find something more, that is vertex, edge, face, and UVs. Okay, so this is more and also useful thing which you have to understand before going in depth into the Blender editing. Hope you understood how to switch between the object mode and the edit mode, and how the edit mode has different components in it. Thanks for watching. Thank you.